Hi friends, welcome back to my other Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create seamless pattern in Photoshop. Before begin, don't forget to subscribe my channel below. And hit bell icon to never miss the update. Let's get started. First of all, go to File and choose New Document. Here set 10 inches width and 10 inches height. And also resolution to 300 and press OK. Now go to View and select New Guide. Here set vertical position to 5 inches and press OK. Again go to View and select New Guide. This time horizontal position to 5 inches and press OK. Perfect. Now the time to create our own pattern. So go to the folder and select these PNG files. Drag and drop these PNG files to Photoshop and press Enter. Now hold Shift button and select all of these layers. Hit Ctrl T for transform option. And decrease the image's size by holding Shift and Alt buttons. And press Enter. Cool. Now set the position of these images like this. Perfect. Select these images by holding Shift button. Then right-click and choose Rasterize Layer. Now select the top layer and hit Ctrl U for hue or saturation. Here enable Colorize option and change the color of this image like this. And press OK. Cool. Select another layer and go to Image, Adjustments, and choose Hue or Saturation. Continue the same process to remaining images also. Perfect. Now select all of these layers and hit Ctrl E to merge layers. Then go to View and enable Snap option. And also enable Guides in Snap to Options. Take the rectangular marquee tool. And select the top pattern like this. Hit Ctrl X to cut the selected part. Now take the Move tool. And move the bottom pattern to top by holding Shift and top arrow buttons like this. Now hit Ctrl V to paste the pattern that we cut out before. Again hold Shift and down arrow buttons and position it to bottom. Right-click on this layer and hit Merge down to merge layers. Perfect. Now continue the same process to left and right patterns like this. Cool. Now fill the empty space in center with any other PNG images or same images with changing colors. Perfect. Select all of these layers by holding Shift button and right-click and choose Merge Layers. Go to View and choose Clear Guides to close the guidelines. Cool. Now go to Edit and choose Define Pattern. Rename it as My Pattern or anything else and press OK. Go to File and choose New Document. Here set from Pexels 2 inches. And also increase the document width and height to 30 inches. And press OK. Now select the Pattern Stamp tool. Also select the pattern that we created before on top. And apply it on new document like this. Now the time to see the final result. Thank you and need your support.